Other equipment. You're going to need a holster. I like Pancake Kydex holsters. They hold my gun secure. They hold it tight against my body. I hate the little nylon floppy ones. Leather ones are, when they're good and stiff and new, they're good, but as soon as they start getting old, they get floppy and sloppy, and they're no good either. They can actually become dangerous. So you're going to need a pistol, or you're going to need a holster for your pistol. You're going to need some type of an ammo carrier to carry it on your belt. You'll need at least 2 magazines. We recommend 3 for your pistol, but at least 2 to go through our challenges.